Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Argentinian cuisine to uncover the hidden gems of their delicious meatballs, known as albondigas. We've got fascinating and unknown facts about these flavorful meatballs that you don't want to miss. So, let's get started. Albondigas are a beloved dish in Argentina, but did you know they have a rich history? These meatballs can be traced back to Spanish, Italian, and Middle Eastern influences, and have been adapted to suit the Argentinian palate. The word albondiga comes from the Arabic term al-bunduk, which means hazelnut, or small round object. Argentinian meatballs are typically made with a combination of ground beef and pork, which gives them a unique flavor and tenderness. Albondigas are seasoned with a variety of spices and herbs, such as parsley, oregano, and paprika, which contribute to their distinctive taste. These meatballs are traditionally pan-fried, giving them a delicious crispy exterior, while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Albondigas can also be simmered in a flavorful tomato sauce for a mouth-watering twist on the traditional recipe. Albondigas are often served as an appetizer or in a sandwich, but they can also be enjoyed with pasta, rice, or even on their own. In Argentina, it's common to find albondigas served at asados, which are traditional Argentine barbecue gatherings. For example, in Patagonia, they're known for using lamb meat. Some regions add a touch of spice with chili peppers, while others emphasize a more garlicky flavor profile. They often symbolize family gatherings and celebrations. Albondigas are fantastic on their own, but they are often served with sides like chimichurri sauce, mashed potatoes, or crusty bread. The love for albondigas has spread far beyond Argentina. You can find variations of these meatballs in many other countries, each with its own unique twist. In the United States, you might come across albondigas soup, a Mexican-inspired dish featuring meatballs in a delicious broth. Albondigas can be a healthy choice as they are a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. The inclusion of fresh herbs and vegetables in the recipe adds to the nutritional value of these meatballs. It's time for a quick albondigas recipe so you can savor this dish at home. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef and pork. Step 2. In a separate bowl, soak the breadcrumbs in milk until they are moistened. Step 3. Add the soaked breadcrumbs, chopped onion, minced garlic, parsley, paprika, dried oregano, salt, pepper, and egg to the meat mixture. Step 4. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. The mixture should be moist and hold together. Step 5. With wet hands, shape the mixture into small, round meatballs, approximately 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. The wet hands will prevent the mixture from sticking to your fingers. Step 6. In a large skillet, heat vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Step 7. Carefully place the meatballs in the hot oil and fry until they are golden brown on all sides. This should take about 10–15 minutes. Step 8. If you prefer a saucier version of albondigas, you can add the tomato sauce to the skillet and let the meatballs simmer in the sauce for an additional 10–15 minutes. Step 9. Once they are cooked to perfection, remove the albondigas from the skillet and drain them on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Step 10. Your Argentinian albondigas are now ready to be enjoyed. Some renowned chefs in Argentina have elevated the albondigas to gourmet levels, experimenting with unique ingredients and presentations. Their innovative approaches have earned them international recognition. Albondigas have made appearances in various movies and TV shows, showcasing their popularity in pop culture. These scenes often make our mouths water, inspiring us to try these delectable meatballs. Argentina hosts meatball festivals where locals and tourists can enjoy an array of albondigas prepared by different chefs and vendors. Where we can find meatballs with noodles, with soup, mashed potatoes, and even in meatball pizza. These festivals are a gastronomic delight, celebrating the diversity of this beloved dish. We've covered incredible facts about Argentinian meatballs, but I have one more exciting fact that you won't want to miss. Are you ready? Our fact is that albondigas are not just a dish, they're a culinary journey filled with history, flavor, and culture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Indian culture, wellness, and cuisine. Share your own experiences and your favorite ways to enjoy it in the comments below. Until next time, stay vibrant, healthy, and celebrate life.